Using going to for plans. I'm going to study tonight. I'm going to join a book club. I'm going to learn how to knit. I'm going to join a yoga class. We're going to have a beach day. He's going to learn how to swim. He's going to learn how to swim. He's going to build a bookshelf. He's going to take up gardening. He's going to build a birdhouse. I'm going to take a dance class. He's going to paint his room blue. She's going to join a hiking club. I'm going to take a pottery class. They're going to learn how to code. He's going to clean his room later. I'm going to have a spa day at home. I'm going to take a nap after lunch. She's going to join a cooking class. We're going to have brunch at a cafe. I'm going to explore the city on foot. She's going to take a language course. I'm going to call my friend after work. They're going to learn how to meditate. They're going to take a trip next month. She's going to walk her dog in the park. He's going to buy a new laptop for work. He's going to fix his car this Saturday. She's going to start a journaling habit. She's going to take a photography class. We're going to have a family game night. We're going to have a family game night. He's going to start a new job next week. He's going to get a haircut this Friday. He's going to cook dinner for us tonight. I'm going to write a letter to my friend. We're going to have a picnic in the park. I'm going to take up painting as a hobby. He's going to practice playing the piano. He's going to learn how to knit scarves. I'm going to learn how to play the guitar. We're going to explore a new hiking trail. We're going to go shopping this afternoon. She's going to buy groceries for the week. We're going to watch a movie this weekend. He's going to try a new recipe for dinner. She's going to buy a gift for her brother. He's going to play soccer with his friends. She's going to attend a wedding next month. She's going to go camping with her friends. We're going to have a barbecue in the park. We're going to attend a wine tasting event. She's going to go for a run in the morning. They're going to organize a family reunion. I'm going to visit my parents next weekend. I'm going to visit my parents next weekend. We're going to watch a play at the theater. She's going to read a book by the fireplace. We're going to visit the museum on Saturday. He's going to fix the leaky faucet tomorrow. We're going to attend a concert next Friday. They're going to redecorate the living room. They're going to paint the living room walls. They're going to plant flowers in the garden. He's going to start a blog about his hobbies. They're going to volunteer at a soup kitchen. We're going to start a new project on Monday. She's going to buy a new dress for the party. We're going to have a movie marathon at home. They're going to study for the exam together. He's going to plant vegetables in the garden. I'm going to attend a yoga retreat next month. I'm going to learn how to cook Italian dishes. She's going to visit her grandmother tomorrow. She's going to bake cookies for the bake sale. They're going to adopt a pet from the shelter. He's going to start a morning jogging routine. I'm going to attend a workshop on mindfulness. They're going to go on a road trip this summer. They're going to go on a road trip this summer. We're going to have a barbecue in the backyard. They're going to clean the garage this weekend. They're going to attend a conference next week. He's going to repair the fence in the backyard. We're going to watch the sunset at the hilltop. They're going to paint portraits of each other. They're going to watch a documentary on Netflix. They're going to watch a documentary on Netflix. She's going to start a morning exercise routine. She's going to create a budget for her expenses. They're going to volunteer at the local shelter. They're going to build a gazebo in the backyard. I'm going to create a photo album of my travels. She's going to organize her closet this evening. We're going to have a bonfire night with friends. He's going to start a collection of vintage coins. I'm going to bake a cake for my sister's birthday. They're going to have dinner at a fancy restaurant. We're going to celebrate her birthday at the beach. They're going to build a tree house in the backyard. They're going to visit a different city every month. She's going to practice playing the guitar every day. I'm going to visit my grandparents in the countryside. We're going to bake cookies for the charity bake sale. We're going to start composting our kitchen waste.